Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the ALORAIR LGR Commercial Dehumidifier with Pump, a powerhouse designed for flood repair, crawl space, and basement drying. This industrial-grade dehumidifier boasts a high airflow of 210 CFM, efficiently removing up to 180 pints of moisture per day at saturation and 85 ppd at AHAM, making it a top choice for large spaces up to 2,300 square feet. Its compact design, measuring just 22.8 by 13.7 by 17.3 inches, includes two convenient carrying handles, perfect for maneuvering into tight crawl spaces and basements. Equipped with a built-in pump, it offers hassle-free drainage with a 19.6-foot hose and a vertical drain height of 14.7 feet, ensuring flexible installation. The plug-and-go operation, complete with auto on-off, memory starting, auto restart on power failure, and auto defrost features, makes it incredibly user-friendly with minimal supervision required. Plus, you can easily monitor the GPP number on the display board for quick reference. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty and ETL safety compliance, the ALORAIR dehumidifier promises reliability and peace of mind, with a dedicated customer support team ready to assist whenever needed. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.